Zambia 1061, say 61 years of peace and unity, building a resilient and prosperous Zambia. Us as a humanitarian organization, augmenting government's efforts in alleviating the suffering of the people and the saving lives, indirectly, we are creating capacities of our people. So looking at Zambia, where we still have a greater proportion of the people that fall in the lower bracket, in the bracket of the poor, our programming helps the people to have better livelihoods. So this is what we do more especially in developmental setting. During drought, the drought had ruined the livelihoods of the people and literally the entire country, because we are an agrarian community. We don't just do agriculture for feeding. Our agriculture potentially is our source of livelihood. Our livestock keeping was also threatened because there was no water, there was no pasture for our animals. So we're able to come in with the programming that we're able not only address the immediate needs, food needs of the people, but also the program that could revive their livelihood. Our vision is having a Zambia Red Cross Society that is self-reliant. A Zambia Red Cross Society that can generate and mobilize resources locally through engaging into entrepreneurship and attracting support and aid within the country in growing the asset base of this society. In that way, we will ensure that aid is locally and only international when the scale goes beyond just our capacity. For the past 59 years, Zambia Red Cross has been on the ground, and this society is reliant on the volunteers. Whatever the society has done, we give credit to the volunteers, the people that risk their lives to save lives. We pay gratitude to the funders, to the donors within the country, and importantly, the biggest portion of the support has been coming outside the country. They have not related. But we thank them for having believed in us, that we are able to transform the resources that they entrust us with into a service that saves people's lives, into a service that alleviates the suffering of our people, the vulnerable people out there, more especially the last mile population, more especially those the less privileged and those the marginalized.
This year, we're celebrating 61 years of independence. The Zambia Red Cross Society, we reach out to communities in far-fetched areas. We're able to go where no one else can go. We're the first ones to be there. Why? Because our volunteers are found there. We are in 58 districts in the country. We're helping to build a resilient Zambia.